just arrived.
Welcome to St. Louis.
Thank you so much. It's glad to be in a place that's a bit warmer than Chicago.
Yeah, like 20 degrees, that's about it.
I don't think even that, like maybe 5 degrees.
Really?
In Chicago, yeah.
Whoa. Oh, that's Milo's.
That's Milo?
Yeah. Colinos. Is it me or it smells like bread?
Yeah,
it smells like bread,
yeah,
right?
like warm Italian bread. Like
we're in the right place.
Like freshly baked.
Yeah. All right, so first stop here in St. Louis, we're on the hill, right?
Yeah, we're on the hill.
So, smells like bread around here. It's very nice. This looks like Italy a little bit. And I think this plaza here is fairly new.
Yeah, it's fairly new because when we came up here about 8 years ago, we drove up from Memphis.
Yeah.
And I don't remember it being here.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they got quite a few shops. I mean, I like it because it gives you that old world feel being up here. So this is definitely a place that I would like to come back to and just kind of like walk the streets. I know it's not Italy, but it makes me feel like I'm in Italy because of the bread smells. The bread smells.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. I throw my hands up, check my feet. Baby, how you feeling? I'm cold as hell.
So what are we getting?
I gotta check the menu first.
Yes.
But pasta.
Marty, your table is ready, Marty?
The sessions. You know what you want?
There's so many good choices. I don't know what to pick. So I see you ordered some wine.
The best kind too.
The best kind? What kind of wine?
I got Lambrusco. I know we're gonna get a lot of mean comments, but I don't care.
Yeah.
We're in the mood for Lambrusco.
Yeah, we're in the mood. It's a Lambrusco kind of night.
Yes.
I can read those mean comments now. Oh, Lambrusco. You know what? Bring on the Ryu night. Cheers.
That's some good stuff. Man.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's not Ryu night, but...
Yeah.
Check out this chicken.
Today is definitely not a salad night, so I can't wait to dig in early.
Alright, dig in. So what did you get?
I got the tortellini in a bolognese sauce. Oh.
Yours looks really good.
Yeah, it is really good. It's the tomato just tastes right. Like you get a really good, nice tomato flavor. It's not too sweet, and it's not bland either. So it tastes tomatoey, which is how I like my sauces, tomatoey.
It's chicken with prosciutto.
Oh, that's what it is. Prosciutto?
Peas, like mushrooms. I thought you were gonna get this.
No, you totally deviated from the pasta. Like
yeah, it's like I have to try something different.
Yeah.
It's not salty, like it's really saucy, and it has like the prosciutto, and oh my god, it's just perfect.
You got a really nice size spaghetti.
It's really good.
The sauce is like,
Yeah,
it's
really
just
good.
yeah, it's just good.
It has like cardamom in it or something, or maybe it's just nutmeg.
I don't know what it is. It's just wonderful. I would definitely buy a jar of this stuff.
It's so good. You just want to try it. Right? The same sauce, but it's different.
Yeah, that one's a bit different. This one's more intense in tomato flavor. Why do you always get spumoni?
Because you have to get spumoni.
No, there's a variety of Italian treats and desserts.
No.
Ah, spumoni.
It was fantastic. It was so good. It was better than I remember, actually.
Yeah, it was actually well, because I think the last time that we came, I didn't have the pasta. I had something else.
Yeah, you had like
some beef medallions or something like that. Yeah. And you had the pasta vongole.
The vongole was good. I remember that.
Yeah, but going with more
not like this.
Yeah, because I think it was like the sauce. The sauce was just. It was amazing.
Fantastic, yeah. And I'm sorry I got this spumoni. I always have to get this spumoni. Now I was looking at me, he's like, why didn't you get the cannoli or tiramisu or something?
Not the cannoli, but the tiramisu.
Yeah.
Didn't speak up, and she got the spumoni.
You have to get the spumoni. That's my favorite.
That's the line.
It was a good date night, so.
Yeah.
And now we're going to the hotel because we're exhausted. Kind of your face.
We're totally reunited right now.
Yeah, we have way too much wine, but that's the good kind, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Made for a good dinner.
Anyway, guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.